Okay, so here's the second room of the hacking event called the Byte Lotus Hotel Room. This room, named Room 404, like a error code 404, which is he booked the quiet room. It's not on the floor plan, not in the brochure, not on any door. But port 88 is wide open and the room is never lists are the ones worth finding. It might be a web-based challenge, so let's check that out. Yes, I joined the room. Pins are smarter now. Okay, so I can start the type box if there's any need. So here's the description of the following room. Categories web and difficulty is very easy. Okay, so now the concert's briefing is that he booked a quiet room as somewhat mentioned on the above. Welcome to Byte Lotus, where the Wi-Fi is open, the app's free, and the concierge already knows your coffee order. You spend these first days as a guest who simply notices things, a room that isn't on the floor plan, packets that leave every night at the same hour, a profile assembled from two breakfasts, and a live stream. Like it's suspiciously convenient, to be very honest way. So, here's the lab machine. I think it will pop up after some time the correct IP with the correct IP mainly. Today's itinerary is that I have to dump the exposed source code and by that I will get the flag. Okay, I already started that box and it's loading like 49%, almost half. It became half, 54. And let's wait for some seconds. Okay, it booted up. Oh, okay, yes, allow. Okay, close. So what's the mission I okay, I haven't. I actually haven't started the lab mission, so I wasn't be able to get the IP as it will take some time doing it for quite a long. Yeah, I've already started that. Okay, as it mentioned, it may need a few minutes to become accessible. Hmm, it will be shown within some seconds, and the wait's over. I got the mission IP. If you copy it, then just paste it. Your desired IP. I think it's already accessible in the tag box. It's obvious mainly. Okay. Firefox loading. Okay, so here you can paste the desired web page where we get a website of the following hotel, I guess. Arrivals, reserve stay, a single page, then to scroll. There are some extra pages available. Flash. Okay, so we can see the source code and it looks normal as typical web pages. Okay, so then we can just check whether the 404 not found. Okay, robots.txt is missing. Oh, let's check sitemap.xml whether there's anything on it. No, there's nothing. Okay, and the exposed source. As the term mentioned, directory enumeration, maybe had to do directory enumeration. Yeah, I think GoBuster is available in order to brute force the directory. Though I will use a word list for that. So I already copied the command which is GoBuster. We will be doing some directory brute forcing URL. I have to give the URL here on the machine IP mainly, as the URL says. The machine IP mainly. I use the word list, a small word list. Okay, it's doing its work. URL, get method. Okay, negative status code, which is 404. Okay, it's doing quite a long brute forcing, I guess. User agent, timeout, and seconds. It won't take much time. Okay, so after the brute forcing directory enumeration mainly, we found nothing for the native status code, which is an error. So maybe we have to just explore. Everything's 404. Everything's not found. Maybe we have to dump source code. Mm, okay. That's the style section. Maybe. Okay, the stack. Build staging. Found nothing. It is quite annoying. Is So after quite a long searching, sorting, I got something from the .git. index where maybe I can find something from the index page or the commit editing or the head section. Let me check every single one of it. Okay, it's still not showing, so have to search some more. Okay, so I got the flag, but let me see how did I do this. I literally had this code where I literally dumped the full file on my local machine using wget, and as I got that, maybe yes, there's the folder. See, just need to get and here just /p, and here's the flag. So that's it, and I submitted that Byte Lotus here.